Namaste, Khushro Betia. Today's topic is mobilization control. And the end of the lecture, student will be able to define mobilization, self-mobilization, mobilization with movement, physiological movement, accessory movement, orthokinematic, muscle energy, thrust convex, concave surface, describe joint shapes and orthokinematic, explain convex, concave and concave convex rule, describe effect of joint mobilization, enumerate precaution and contraindication for mobilization. What is joint mobilization? Manual therapy technique used to modulate pain, used to increase range of motion, used to treat joint dysfunction that limit range of motion by especially addressing altered joint machine mechanism. Factor that may alter joint mechanism, pain and muscle guarding, joint hypermobility, joint effusion, contracture or adhesion in the joint capsule or supporting ligament, malalignment or subluxation of the bony surface. Mobilization, passive joint movement for increasing range of motion or decreasing pain, applied to joint and related soft tissue at varying speed and amplitude using physiologic or accessory motion. Force is light enough that patient can stop the movement. Manipulation, passive joint movement for increasing joint mobility, incorporates a sudden forceful thrust that is beyond the patient control. Self mobilization या auto mobilization. Self mobilization technique that specifically use joint traction or glide that direct the stretch force to the joint capsule. Mobilization with movement, concurrent application of a sustained accessory mobilization applied by a clinician physiotherapist to end range and physiological movement applied by the patient applied in pain free direction. Terminology: physiological movement done voluntarily, movement such as flexion, extension, adduction, adaptation. Osteokinematics, motion of the bones, orthokinematic, motion of bone surface within the joint, also called joint play. 5 motion: roll, slide, pain, compression and destruction. Accessory movement component: motion that accompany active motion but are not under voluntary control. Joint play, motion that occur within the joint determined by joint capsule laxity, can be demonstrated passively but not performed actively. Muscle energy, use an active contraction of deep muscles that attach near the joint and whose line of pull can cause the desired accessory motion. Clinician stabilize segment or on which the distal aspect of the muscle attach. Command for an isometric contraction of the muscle is given which cause the accessory movement of the joint. Thrust, high velocity, short amplitude motion that the patient cannot prevent. Perform end of pathological limit of the joint. Snap, adhesion, stimulate joint receptor, concave, hollowed or rounded inward, convex, curved and rounded outward. Thank you.